Morse code was initially developed by Samuel Morse in 1836. The modern International Morse code, also known as Continental Code, was created in 1848. It was changed and standardized by the ITU in 1865 in Paris. So it's been in use for almost 150 years in its current version. It's not used much anymore by anyone. Military don't use it much anymore. It's used a little bit by general aviation for identifying certain navigational aids. But there are a dedicated group of ham radio operators in the country who still use it at speeds from anywhere from 5 words a minute to 50 words a minute, and a few even faster than 50 words a minute. An electronic keyer uses a paddle, such as this, to make dots and dashes. By holding the paddle over to the side, one side, you make dots, continuous dots, such as this. By holding it over to the other side, you make continuous dashes, like this. Then, by combining the left and right movements, you can make letters such as A, B, C, D, E, and so forth. So by stringing those letters together, you make words and then sentences. Now I'll demonstrate sending International Morse code at 15 words a minute. This is 20 words per minute, International Morse code. This is 25 words per minute. "30 words per minute. "35 words per minute. fast for me. When you're first learning Morse code, you'll find that you'll probably need to write down the letters on a piece of paper. But as you develop proficiency, as your speed increases, you'll hear words as they are sent, and as you get even faster, you'll hear phrases or sentences, and that's when it really becomes fun.